The electoral process is the cornerstone to a democracy and the midwife that births democracy. This is according to the chair of the Electoral Commission, Jean Mensah. She stated that the high cost associated with procuring hardware for elections is a concern for the Commission because it forces the Commission to depend on partners for funding, and this, according to her, compromises the Commission's independence.
Our elections are fast becoming very expensive ventures, and we constantly rely on our development partners to partly fund our elections, thereby compromising our independence. For example, in 2016, the cost of elections in Ghana was $12, a little over $12 per voter, compared to $9 per voter in Nigeria in 2015 and $5 per voter in Tanzania in 2015.
Executive Director of the Institute of Democratic Governance, Dr. Emmanuel Akwete, also commented on the cost of elections. He says this is affected by the high drama surrounding elections in African countries.
The progress we've made in electoral democracy in Ghana and other African countries would begin to reverberate in other sectors because cost of elections must come down. The financing of parties, we must know. And are there other ways in the age of the fourth industrial revolution, technology and others? Is there a way we can reduce costs and build greater trust and credibility?
The chair of the Electoral Commission also touched on the issue of security around electoral processes. She raised concerns about the sufficiency of electoral materials and uniformed field staff in ensuring the integrity of the process, especially in this time of social media and fake news.
We reflect on how to tighten security, right from our registration processes to election day activities, through to the declaration of results. In an era of social media and fake news, what security systems can we put in place to counter the activities of mischief makers and scaremongers? Our security seals, customized ballot boxes and screens, uniformed field staff, on-site police and polling agents, enough to secure the ballot and integrity of the process?
The 17th International Electoral Affairs Symposium began Monday 28 in Accra. It is the first to be held in West Africa. In attendance were over 30 election management bodies, electoral commissions from other African countries, and other Ghanaian bodies such as the Coalition of Domestic Election Observers Ghana and the Ghana Center for Democratic Development.